Hello guys, myself Venkatesha. Today we are going to talk about dark web. Yeah, before going into the topic, let me tell you one thing that this video is purely for educational purposes only and never misuse this information for illegal activities. Yeah, before further delay, let's jump on to the topic. In this video, we are going to talk about what is dark web, what is Tor browser, how Tor browser works, and also we are going to access the dark web, and also whether the dark web is illegal or legal to use. So, yeah, dark web sounds scary, right? But it's not as scary as much as you think. Even though illegal activities happens, it's also used for other purposes also. We'll go into that. Before that, before knowing what is dark web, we should know what is surface web. So surface web is nothing but all the website that we use through Google, that we access through Google. And the fun fact is only 14% of the internet is used by us. The rest of them are deep web and dark web. So surface web is nothing but the website that we access through Google. That is, for example, uh, we take Google Chrome and we search Facebook. Yeah, Facebook. We go to the Facebook website. That's it. But there's a catch in it. That is, we while we search through the surface web, our our data and activities are not are tracked. That is, even our IP address are tracked, and also we our the Google knows our IP address, and also we can also know Google's IP address also. Here there is no privacy in it. For example, here I type I need to buy an iPhone 13 Pro. So I search about iPhone 13 Pro. After some time, while we surf through Facebook or any other social media, or while we surf through Surface Web, ads start to pop up about the iPhone 13 Pro or any product what we search. This means that the Google stores our data and sell this data to other companies to show the ads about the products that we search. The data might be in voice, the data may be through search history, or the data may be the video we are searching for. Anything, we can we anything we search on the Google is recorded. So to prevent this, there's a browser called Tor browser. This Tor browser is used to access the dark web. Originally, the Tor browser is used by U.S. Navy initially, but it turns to a non-profitable project known as Tor project. So before knowing Tor project, we should know what is dark web. The dark web is nothing but the website that is not indexed on the Google is known as the dark web. And also the dark web ensures our privacy and anonymity. That is, the website we and in the website we enter, they don't know anything about us. That is, they don't know our IP address, they don't know what we are searching for, they don't know who we are, they don't know who am I, they don't know our location, etc. How it is possible? Through magic. Yeah, everything in IT field is worked on magic. Just kidding. So mm, we'll come to know what is Tor browser. So Tor browser is nothing but a browser that is used to access the dark web, and the Tor network will protect your privacy and anonymity, and also your internet services, and anyone watching your connection locally will not be able to track your internet activity, including the name and address of the website you visit. That is, we are full your uh, your anonymity is protected here, but it's not 100%. Obviously nothing in internet is not is 100% secure. There is 5% chance that we will get tracked back. So yeah, there are incidents happen. For example, Silk Road. It's a website where the owner used to sell illegal substances. So the FBI, what they did is that they tracked the website server, and they shut down the website. So this proves that there are chances of tracking us back. Now we'll come to know how Tor browser works. So here, suppose this is our system, that this is the computer, and this is the website we need to access. Before directly connecting to website, it connects to a chain of random proxy servers. That is, first it connects to an entry guard, then it connects to a middle relay, and then it connects to a exit relay. And these all are encrypted, except the exit relay to the website. It's not encrypted, but rest of them are encrypted. And also these proxy servers may these different proxy server chain of proxy servers may be in different location. That is, suppose I'm in India. I need to connect this website. Go to this web server to access the website. So before directly going into that, it will connect to a proxy server in US. Then after that, it will connect to a proxy server in, suppose I'll say, Italy, and also then after that it connects to a proxy server known as proxy server in Netherlands or somewhere else. Then only we will get connect to the website. So this means that the website who's while accessing the website, the web server recognize only this exit relay as an IP address. Our original IP address is not tracked back. So even the web server uses the same method to show the website. That's how the Tor browser works. So the full form of Tor browser is the onion router. So what is why they named as onion routing is because unlike onion, while we peel onion, it has different layers. If, the onion routing also works in the same manner. Like, while we track to the original IP address, we should go through many IP address, and only then uh, we will get our IP address. So by the time we will get a new identity. So now the interesting part comes. That is, we are going into the dark web. Before going into the dark web, I will show you how to download the Tor browser. Here, go to Google Chrome and search download um, download Tor browser. Like downloading the Chrome browser, we can also download Tor browser, and click on the first link you see. And also there are many options. Like, if you want to download Tor browser for Windows, we can use it for Windows. If you want to download for Mac OS, we can use it. We can click on Mac OS option, like that. Linux for Linux option. For Android, you download click on download for Android. So you might be thinking, is it legal to use Tor browser? It's perfectly legal. If it is illegal, Mac OS won't allow us to download. So it is legal, and also it also depends on our use. That is, if we use Tor browser to purchase illegal substances, then you might be end up in big trouble. But if you use for your purpose of privacy, then you can use Tor browser. So there's no it's not illegal to use in Tor browser. It depends on how you use it. And another question arises: can we hire any hitman or something like that? No, we can't hire any hitman or like that. or the only thing is we lost our money and they will take our money and they will go. No hitman will come. uh, there's no incident that happened that 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 we can buy hitman. Other than that, we can buy the illegal substances like guns and illicit substances. Other than that, we can't hire any hitman or not. It's actually fake actually. So, and also one thing, never enter your personal data in dark web. They might get there are hackers can the hackers can access through these private data. So never enter your email ID, anything like that. Yeah, without any delay, we are going to access the dark web. Yeah, since I already downloaded and installed, so I'm not going to show that. It's just like installing the Chrome browser. Yeah, yeah. It takes time to connect because it connects through a chain of random proxies. Yeah, we are officially in the dark web. To prove that my IP address is masked, I will show you. I will show my location. That is where I. It will show where's my location. I will show you. Wait. It says no result found. I'll create a new identity and I will show you. What is new identity? It's nothing but connecting a new set of connecting through to a website through a new set of chain of proxies, so that you will get new IP address. Now I'll search where am I. Yeah, it says I am in Germany, but actually I'm not in Germany. I am in Google. I'll show you where am I. It says I am in Kerala, India, but in Tor browser it says that I am in Germany. So in this through this we can prove that we have connected through a chain of proxies before getting into a website or a web server. Whereas in Google they just directly use our IP address to connect to the Google. So here there's in Google there's no privacy at all. But while using Tor browser, we are secure. Now I'm going to access the hidden wiki. It's a dark website where you get popular website through that. Yeah, we are officially in one of the we are inside the hidden wiki. So here we will get lot of website that are popular in dark web. Even here the Facebook is also listed here. This Facebook website is the dark web version of the Facebook. This is the dark web version of the Facebook. That is, we can also search through dark web, and we can access through dark web. Why Facebook has created a dark web version? Because to search through the Facebook privately. Here, no data will get leaked. Even your chats and even your what you post also, they won't get recorded in the database. But yeah, here instead of .com we use .onion. That is here this is a link to the facebook.com, sorry, Facebook in dark web. But here you can notice that instead of .com we use .onion. So this means that we use onion router instead of normal .com. And also Unfortunately, I can't take you to Facebook this link because this link has shut down. I don't know why. Yeah, there are key points to remember before entering to the dark web. That is, never enter your private details such as email, etc. while you enter in dark web. And one more thing, uh, here in dark web the medium of transaction is used is Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. I'll tell you about what is cryptocurrencies, what how we use cryptocurrencies, and also what how it is related to blockchain and for you first you can first you understand this that cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital currencies which in which the transaction are done with sender and receiver only. There is no other third party third person like banks. And also these transaction are encrypted with the process called cryptography. And also our identity would not be revealed to the sender or the receiver. Yeah, that's it for today's video. This is Venkatesha signing off. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.